Notion Q&A AI. Drowning in pages, docs, and project notes? Notion Q&A turns your entire Notion workspace into a searchable, conversational knowledge base. Ask a plain English question, like, what was our revenue goal for Q3? Or, where's the redesign project brief? And get instant, context-aware answers pulled directly from your Notion pages, databases, or even connected sources like Google Drive and Slack. Unlike standard search, Q&A understands relationships between your documents, delivering precise, actionable responses instead of long lists of results. It's accessible anywhere you work, through the search bar, a sparkle icon on pages, or the quick shortcut Control/CMD plus Shift plus K. Privacy is built in. Q&A only surfaces information you're authorized to view, and your data never trains external AI models. That means your company knowledge stays secure. Whether you're onboarding new team members, preparing for a meeting, or reviewing a project, Notion Q&A saves time, reduces friction, and makes buried information instantly useful. Integrated seamlessly with Notion's AI suite, it's the next step toward a truly intelligent workspace.